Most people will spend years learning a skill and still stay average. They watch tutorials, save videos, and feel productive, but they never actually get better. If you've ever felt stuck, no matter how hard you try, this is why. Your brain does not learn by watching, it learns by struggling. This is called desirable difficulty. When learning feels easy, your brain stays the same. When learning feels hard, when you're confused and making mistakes, that's when your brain rewires itself. That's why you don't remember videos, but you never forget your failures.
There is one method proven to beat rereading and rewatching, and it's called active recall. Instead of looking at the answer, you try to remember it. That small moment of mental struggle tells your brain this information is important. Save it. That's why people who test themselves learn faster than people who just review. And this is also why most people feel stuck. They don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they get no feedback. No feedback means you don't know what is working and what is broken. You can practice a skill for years and still get worse if you are reinforcing the wrong habits.
You don't need to learn everything. You only need the 20% that creates 80% of results. That's how experts improve so fast. They ignore the noise and focus only on what actually matters. One expert can save you years by showing you the mistakes you can't see. They don't just tell you what to do, they show you what you were doing wrong. So if you were tired of being average, start learning the right way. Struggle, test yourself, get feedback, focus on what matters, and surround yourself with people better than you. And if you want more content that helps you master your mind and your future, make sure to subscribe now.